Hello traders, today's April 14th and I'm looking at the E-mini S&P. Before I get into reviewing with you the opportunities available for going long and going short, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. So if you take a look at today's chart, currently it is about 4 o'clock, the market's about to close. A couple of things that everyone should be aware of. I'm using a 5-minute chart, and every candle that you're seeing here, I'm using the E-mini, but it could be any market, NASDAQ, the Euro. We have to have an understanding of the volatility that exists. So for example, from this strength trade down, how large are these moves? And typically, if I put here a ruler, this being over 10 points, it's a pretty big move. Now some traders say, you know, these are pretty big moves. I'm not sure if I want to be involved with a market that is a little bit more volatile. And here's where we as traders have to adapt. Even though the Atlas line, which is up here, is indicating to go short, and the signals are actually pretty good, I'm going to switch this to a 1-minute chart. And when I switch it to a 1-minute chart, the opportunities also exist. At least we have more sell signals on a 1-minute time frame to go short, but the volatility based here on the ATR, how large these candles are, is smaller. There's less risk. So whenever you see a signal, for example, here's a pullback trade, here's another pullback trade, here's a strength trade, pullback trade, that's what the S's and the P's are referring to when using the Atlas line. The targets are smaller, the stops are smaller, and the risk is less. So every trade that you're taking, you're not risking big money on every trade. We're really focusing in on 2-3 points, could be about $100 to $200 per trade on each of these signals. Now as long as you don't see a strength or a pullback trade, there are no signals, and we have some here right at the end of the day. So this is on a 1-minute chart, the Atlas line, which is this yellow dark line up here. Now I'm going to go back to yesterday, and looking at yesterday, it's a little different because we have both short signals as well as long signals. So the first signal of the day is going to be a short yesterday, 44.09 quarter. Everyone who has the Atlas line has the same exact signal, and from that point forward, if you look at the volatility on the average true range, the ATR, 3 points, it's a great move to the downside, about $150 that you can make at minimum as the market came down. And then there are no other signals here. There's no more strength or pullback signals until the market crosses the Atlas line. And here's a long signal. Looking here at the ATR, again, 2 points, 2.5 points, a great $100 move, at least on every contract that you make. And this is just getting in, getting out. It doesn't take into account trailing stops. And then we have here strength and pullbacks. These are telling me to go long, to go long, to go long. And the day continued with plenty of opportunities here to go long. And so the idea behind the Atlas line is I'm going to focus on being a buyer if the market is trading, which it is here, above the Atlas line, and these S's and these P's tell me exactly where to go long, the stops, the targets, everything. And if the market is below the Atlas line, as we had today and as we had yesterday in the morning, we're going to focus on short signals. So we're going to follow the signals. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com, contact us, give us a call. Let's make sure that day trading is right for you. We also have a free workshop, and don't forget to access the new mentorship class, which includes all the courses and all the software at a reduced price. It's called Accelerated Mentorship for those of you who want all the software, including the Atlas line. Until next time, good trading. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.